From an S&C point of view, we use PlayerTek GPS system to monitor our pitch sessions, so we can basically see if our sessions are high, low or medium intensity. For conditioning, we use overall total distance. We also use sprint distance, and we use meters per minute. So our sprint distance we use to see how intense the session was, and our meters per minute just to see out of the players that are using it, who's working hard and who could probably work a little bit harder. This pre-season is the first pre-season we've had with PlayerTek, so anyone that has been sort of coming back from injury or we had slight concerns about their load, we could have a look at their previous day to see what sort of distance or how many sprints they've done, and then we can adapt the following day to then change their day, so they might have a lower intensity day for us.
So currently with the Academy, since we've only had the PlayerTek units for about 6 months now, we're looking at creating a database that tells us exactly what each kind of drill that they'll do during training and matches will look like. So in future we can then tell the coaches, oh, your sessions should look like this, or if they overrun on their meters and stuff, we can be like, oh, well, you've done this extra, why was that? So we can try and manage players a bit better and reduce injuries. So I've been using the app quite a lot with certain players. If they ask what they've done during a session or what their sprint distance was or how many, what their top speed was, I'll just show them through the app, which is really useful. And they also like to compare each other through that. And the coach has been really good because I create a report myself from the PlayerTek software, and they've all really bought into that and are really using it to try and progress coaching with Saracens Academy. So when we do player reviews, we've used it quite a bit, especially with the backs, because we want to see that they're hitting really high speeds, so we can get that to the coaches and say, oh, this is a really quick lad, really need to keep him in the academy. And it's the same with forwards. If they've been like struggling fitness wise, we'll say, oh, he's been covering a load of meters recently, he's really upped his fitness. We can really show that.